The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Donetsk direction, the EU group of forces, aviation and artillery have eliminated up to 380 Ukrainian troops, 1 tank, 2 infantry fighting vehicles, 10 motor vehicles, 1 pickup truck, and 2 Gvozdika self-propelled howitzers over the past 24 hours. In the South Donetsk and Zaporozhye directions, operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery of the Vostok group of forces inflicted fire damage on Ukrainian units close to Ugledar, Novomikhailivka in Donetsk People's Republic, Lugovskoye and Sherbaki in Zaporozhye region. The enemy's losses in this direction during the day amounted to 40 Ukrainian troops, 2 pickup trucks, 1 D-30 howitzer and 1 Polish-made Krupp artillery system. In the Kherson direction, the fire damage has neutralized over 40 Ukrainian troops, 2 motor vehicles, 1 Gvozdika self-propelled howitzer and 1 US-made M777 artillery system during the day. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery of the armed forces of the Russian Federation have neutralized 87 Ukrainian artillery units at their firing positions, enemy's manpower and military equipment in 109 areas. A hangar with unmanned terror vehicles of the Ukrainian armed forces was destroyed near Sukhoy Liman in Odessa region. An ammunition depot of the International Legion has been destroyed close to Konstantinovka in Donetsk People's Republic. Moreover, 1 US-made AN-TPQ-37 counter-battery warfare radar station was destroyed near Stepnoye in Zaporozhye region. Air defense forces have intercepted 3 HIMARS MLRS projectiles during the day. Moreover, 18 Ukrainian unmanned terror vehicles have been shot down close to Dvurechnoye in Kharkov region, Golikovo, Chervonopopovka in Lugansk People's Republic, Slavnoye, Novoandreevka, Volnovaha, Nikolskoye and Alexandrovka in Donetsk People's Republic. In total, 404 airplanes, 224 helicopters, 3,562 unmanned terror vehicles, 414 air defense missile systems, 8,392 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,072 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,424 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 9,091 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side, Ukraine Defense Ministry in a statement said Russia lost 10-20 servicemen in a single day, including 4 tanks, 23 artillery units as well as 8 artillery units and 3 air defense systems. In total, Kremlin lost 169,170 servicemen during the conflict, including 3,574 tanks, 6,921 armored fighting vehicles as well as 305 jet fighters and 290 helicopters. A year ago, on March 24th, the armed forces of Ukraine launched a missile attack on the enemy's base in the seaport of temporarily occupied Berdyansk. Large amphibious ships, Orsk, Cesar Kunikov, Novokakast, were damaged, Saratov was destroyed. The myth of the invulnerability of the Russian fleet was destroyed by the well-aimed strikes of the armed forces. This once again proved an irrefutable fact: the enemy will not rest on Ukrainian land, neither on land nor on water. Russia-Ukraine conflict lasts for 394 days. There is still no peace talk between them.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.